Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Part A. The forces on the beam are the weight, mg, acting downward at the beam's center of mass, the tension, Ft, acting at the end of the beam along the string toward the wall, the hinge force Fh acting at the hinge. Part B. Ft2 is greater than Ft1. The angle theta between the beam and the string is smaller. The beam is still horizontal, so the torque due to gravity about the hinge is unchanged. Therefore, the torque provided by the tension must also be unchanged. With a smaller angle, the tension's perpendicular component is smaller for the same tension, so a larger tension is required to produce the same torque. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.